Have you ever looked at those perfect garden photos online and thought, I wish my space could look like that? Well, what if I told you it can? Herb. 2026 is bringing a new wave of garden design ideas. And the best part? They're simple, stunning, and totally copyworthy. Whether your garden is big or small, patio or balcony, this year's trending looks are all about natural textures, calming colors, and designs that feel alive yet effortless. Welcome to Relax Garden, where we turn ordinary spaces into peaceful outdoor escapes. In today's video, we're revealing 2026's most loved garden trends, ideas you can copy right now to refresh your space and make it feel brand new. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore the looks that are transforming gardens this year. And if you love calm, creative inspiration, make sure to like, subscribe, and join our growing Relax Garden family. Blossom. talk about what's in for 2026 garden design. First, soft minimalism. Think fewer plants, more intention. Smooth stone paths, muted colors, and natural balance that makes even small spaces feel peaceful. Second, texture layering. Designers are mixing materials like wood, clay, rattan, and steel for a look that feels cozy and creative. The contrast brings your garden to life. It's raw, elegant, and beautifully human. Third, eco-elegance. Sustainability is taking center stage. Recycled planters, solar lights, and drought-friendly greenery that's good for the planet and your peace of mind. And finally, micro-retreats. 2026 is a year of the personal corner, a reading chair under hanging vines, a candlelit patio nook, or a tiny herb garden that smells like summer. These aren't just trends. They're transformations, ways to make your outdoor space feel fresh, grounded, and effortlessly stylish. And there you have it. The most inspiring garden looks for 2026 you can start creating today. Herb. You don't need a full renovation. Just small, thoughtful changes that shift the mood of your space. Maybe it's a new light, a touch of stone, or the simple joy of greenery meeting morning light. Because the secret to every beautiful garden isn't perfection, it's presence. It's how the space makes you feel when you sit, breathe, and just be. So, if these trending garden ideas sparked a little inspiration, hit like, subscribe to Relax Garden, and share your favorite 2026 look in the comments below. Remember, your garden doesn't have to be big to feel beautiful. It just needs your touch, your calm, your story. Your garden, your peace.